Nobody is talking about this, but there are over 20 different ways for you to monetize your Skool community. And in this video, we're going to break down exactly how to make your first $500 with your Skool community. We are going to be covering a lot of stuff, including the Skool model to run for starters, the #1 killer of Skool communities, new monetization features, pricings, upsells, absolutely everything. And for 30 days, we have monetized our Skool community. And this is what it looked like over the subsequent 30 days. Is net cash over a 30-day period is just about $2,400. Monthly recurring, as in payments that will process next month as long as no members cancel, is $652. And annual subscriptions, which will reprocess and is recurring given that none of those members cancel, is $1,500. And we have a one-time payment of $297 inside of our Skool community. And I have learned a lot running a Skool, being on the Skool platform for a couple plus years. And so I want to break this down really quickly in 30 days. This is net cash that we collected. It's just about $2,400. Now, if there is no additional growth and or loss of members in our community across 12 months, this is an additional $28,668. And again, that's considering if we were not to add a single new paying customer and that no current customers would otherwise cancel, that there would be no additional upgrades, and that we were making no additional private offers. Dino, what is a private offer inside of your Skool community? Let's break that down. And first and foremost, let's talk about the #1 mistake new Skool owners make. The mistake you must avoid is that most new Skool owners start with paid tiers. All right, so there are 5 different Skool models you can run. You can run a free model, a subscription model, a freemium model, a tiers model, or a one-time payment model for your members to have access to your community. And everybody's very excited about tiers, which means you would have 3 different paying levels to your Skool membership. It is very awesome, but you should not start on tiers. All right, so again, tiers would be 3 payment levels of your community, kind of like a gym membership. People could sign up to standard as the basic, they could sign up to premium, or they could sign up to VIP. Now, it's really tempting to launch your Skool community in that manner, but this is a giant mistake and trap waiting to happen, because ultimately Skool is about building your own theme park, all right? And the name of the game is getting people into your theme park. And the reason you want to do that is once people are inside your theme park, they can purchase food and ice cream and t-shirts and stuffed animals and upgrade to a fast pass and nighttime glow sticks, and they have to pay for hotel room and parking. You want to fill your theme park with as many people as possible so that they can make all these subsequent purchases. If you deny entrance to your theme park with too high of an entrance fee, nobody is going to attend your theme park. And so the model that you actually want to start out with that has worked very nicely for us in month 1 is the freemium model. All right, freemium model essentially means your standard entry level tier is free. It automatically is free. However, you can still have a premium level tier and a VIP tier, all right, for which you can decide your pricing. And in this example, it might be $49 for the year or $97 for the year for VIP. All right, so you still can monetize off the freemium model, but with a freemium model, you are allowing people into your theme park so they can purchase and or upgrade to all of your different other offers that you have, all right? And so the reason to start with the freemium model inside of Skool and how to make the freemium model work. Well, first and foremost, you need an attraction offer, something that's going to lure people into your community that they are very excited about. Examples of attraction offers in modern day business space are like a free gym pass or the $5 chicken at Costco. I love those things. They're only $5. They place them at the back of Costco so that you have to walk past all the aisles and you end up leaving Costco buying everything else, and you're only there to get the $5 chicken for starters. That's an attraction offer. 99-cent tacos at Jack in the Box, my favorite as well. Free shipping on any e-commerce store gets you shopping around the store. And once you are in, then members start upgrading when it is a right fit. So in order to make your Skool community pop off, you want to create this theme park experience. You want to gamify your community. You want to have some type of challenge that people can come in and participate in, which again is how a lot of video games, mobile phones, monetize video games. You have to buy more like items and special skill sets and things in order to beat the different level bosses and up level. You can have prizes, and otherwise you want to encourage daily activities so that your members come in at the start, but then it's gamified experience for them where they can progress, unlock more features, trainings, courses, and workshops. So you're probably sitting there going, Dino, well, how do I get people into my community? How do I attract them? What is my attraction offer? Well, let me give you guys a sneak peek inside of our Skool community. And what we have used as our attraction offer is the 10-minute Skool growth challenge, where we walk you step by step through templates to launch and grow and monetize your own Skool community. So if I'm inside of our Skool community right now, the 7-Figure Visionary Mastermind, we are marketing our 10-minute Skool growth challenge, where again, day by day, we walk you through how to grow your actual Skool community. And we do so with 10-minute daily tasks. So every single day, we give you a single 10-minute marketing task of the day in terms of setting up your Skool, pricing your Skool, driving traffic to your Skool, making upsells, getting content out there. And we literally walk you through setting up your attraction offer, which is your challenge. And again, we give you prompts and things to make it very simple. Otherwise, how to get your first members, how to grow, the types of posts you should use as templates to get engagement in your community. Everything is templated out. We share member wins and growth throughout, so you can see how other members are actually monetizing their community. The various templates, absolutely everything, so that you can just quickly, in 10 minutes per day, grow your Skool community. That's why people are joining our community, is because they want to unlock that 10-minute Skool growth challenge. And we have a very, very active community in just 30 days because, again, it's gamified, there's prizes, and there's daily templates to make things super, super simple for our members. And so you should be doing the same thing. You want some type of attraction offer that people come in. And if you're wondering, Dino, how do I design an attraction offer? Well, think of it like this. You want to give your members something very easy to do that is not very time heavy. So think in terms of simple daily 10-minute tasks, like your daily 10-minute meditation, your daily 10-minute workout, your daily 10-minute Skool growth template. That's what we do for our members. But think in terms of something that is easy and daily for your members to do. You want to give them daily reminders and or a task, an action item. To implement that, you want to reward them with points and prizes, and otherwise everybody loves templates. So for us, what's worked really nicely is this. We give a daily template so that our members can very efficiently and easily take action in just 10 minutes because everything's templated out. There's nothing they need to really create from scratch. And so given this information, how do you make your first $500 on Skool? Well, again, we are going to choose the freemium model because we need your theme park to be filled. Once you have a ton of members in your theme park, remember they can buy ice cream, t-shirts, prizes, stuffed animals, all of your merch. They can upgrade to premium. They can upgrade to VIP. But for the sake of this example, let's pretend that this is your starting pricing in your community. And again, you can always update your pricing higher or lower at any point in time. So this is not locked in. And by the way, you can always change your Skool growth model. We'll be talking about that in another video. But start with freemium so that you can fill your theme park. That way you have a volume of members that can be exposed to your premium offer and your VIP. In this example, $49 a year or $97 a year. And so very quickly, let's look at the math. How could we get to $500? Well, 5 sales with your VIP tier at $97 is about $500. Or it might be more diversified. You might have 3 sales at $97 for about $300, and then otherwise 4 sales at $49 for another $200. That would be your $500. And this is what we want, is we want you to grow and to have a blossoming community. And let's keep in mind, we talked about this at the start, but you can offer and make private offers in your community outside of the pricing tiers that Skool already offers. And so there are so many ways to monetize your Skool community. Let's look at a few of them. Start with the freemium model, but have a premium and VIP tiered offer with incentives for members to upgrade. Let's talk about the classroom. The classroom inside of Skool makes it dead simple for your members to upgrade without you even being there. So again, if I view our community as someone on the standard level tier, this is what you get when you join our 10-minute Skool growth challenge. is you instantly have access to these 3 programs. But it's very clear that if you upgrade to Premium, you are going to unlock other more advanced trainings and programs. And so this is the experience you get to build in your Skool community. You have your attraction offer, which should be essentially your challenge with daily templates. Members come in and they go, this is amazing. I'm ready to upgrade. I'm getting results. Let me upgrade to Premium or VIP so I can access more content. All right. And so that is number 1 is the classroom. And I just love how Skool is designed to do the upsells for you without you even being there. It's so awesome to see that and to experience that happening. Also, private offers. So again, in your newsfeed, you can always decide if you're ready to take on a new private customer and or client. You can come over here and express and explain and make an offer and a pitch that you have space and availability to do something for 1 or 2 or 3 private clients. That's another way to monetize your Skool community. You can have standalone courses. All right, so if we come back into the classroom and I view this as a standard level member, this is a private program that anybody can unlock for a one-time fee of $47. So regardless of what level tier they're at, if they want this bonus program, they can unlock that. That's a standalone program. You can create unlimited courses, standalone offers, programs inside of Skool as well. 30-minute workshops. I love workshops. A lot of people know me as the workshop guy. But when people come over to your calendar, they're going to have a list of your workshops that are available. And your workshops should be available based on the tier that members are on. So if we go ahead and look at Monday, this tier is only available, or this workshop is only available at the Premium level tier. So if you want to attend this particular workshop on this Monday, the link is locked and you have to, in Skool propositions, your member to upgrade to the next level tier to unlock all of the workshops on the Premium level. So Skool is literally designed to ascend your customers and members for you, given that you are utilizing all of their features and know the strategies and techniques to properly create reasons for your members to upgrade. If we look at this Wednesday call is available to everyone, regardless of what level tier they are at in our program. So even on the standard level tier, we can see that our Skool Growth Workshop is available with a live link to absolutely everyone, where I will audit our member Skool community, make adjustments for them, give them suggestions, tips, and strategies, and make it so that their Skool community grows faster. And so inside of your classroom area, you want to stagger different workshops according to different level tiers so that your members have a reason to upgrade and unlock more workshops and support from you. And then there's also an affiliate program that you can roll out in your Skool community, which means your members will do the marketing for you and are financially incentivized to recruit more members to your community by inviting friends and family members and otherwise posting on social media. And this stuff is working, guys. We have members in our community that literally they're like, hey, on day 1, I have my first paying member. And all of a sudden, since I switched over my model and I started following the actual system, more engagement in my community, people are upgrading. And so this stuff works, guys. If this training is helpful, be sure to hit the subscribe button for more videos on how to grow your Skool community. And we'll see you in the next one.